Hello students, how are you? Now today we are starting chapter 12 laws of exponents. We have done some exercise. Now last exercise we are doing. Before starting you know the formulae laws of exponent. Now first of all the main formula you see. First of all you know very well x power m, x power n, x power m plus n. And another, if base is equal then power will add, and x power m divide x power n. If base equal and divide is there then power will subtract. And one more, power raised to power, it will multiply. Power raised to power multiply. And if x power minus m, it will go down, it will be 1 upon x power positive m. Clear this? And one more, if x power m into y power m, because if power same, base different, multiply symbol, then base will multiply, power will remain same. Understand? So we have revised this by we will use these laws of exponent in the questions. So first we are taking fourth question, first part. Fourth question, first part of this chapter 12, exercise 12.1. You see, it is this 8 power minus 1 multiply 5 power 3 upon 2 power minus 4. So now you apply the laws of exponent. 8 power minus 1, you apply this one. If power is minus, you will take 1 upon, power will be positive. Understand? You will take downside, if power positive, take upside, it will be minus. Understand? So now 8 power minus 1, apply this identity. Then you can write this here 1 upon 8, and this power will go upside, it will be positive. Understand? So now simplify. 5 power 3 means 5 3 times, and 2 power 4 means 2 4 times. Now 8 is here, no problem. Then 2 1 ja 2 4 ja, 2 1 ja 2 2 ja, then 2 1 ja 2 1 ja. So now 2 into 5 10, 10 into 5 50, 50 into 5 250. So this 250 is the answer. So I think clear. So if you know the laws of exponent, then you can simplify any question in this. So my dear friends, one more part I am taking. Second part I am taking 5 power minus 1, 2 power minus 1 into 6 power minus 1. Again you apply this laws. X power minus 1, you take reciprocal, it will be power will be positive. So 5 power minus 1, it is 5 power 1 upon 5 power 1. It is 2 power minus 1, 1 upon 2. It is, you can see here, it is 5 power multiply here, that is 1 by, see, so 1 by 5, 1 by 2, and this is 1 by 6. So you can multiply first. So this is 1 by 10 multiply 1 by 6. So the answer is 1 upon 60. Understand? Problem? So in this way we can solve so many questions. One more question we'll take so that you can do practice at home. This exercise, don't say that it is typical, it is very much easy. So what is saying? 6 question I am taking 6 question. You see, 1 upon 3 whole power minus 1 minus 1 upon 4 whole power minus 1 and then whole power is minus 1. Clear this? So now we have apply again this. You see here this formula, you can see this one, x minus m, that is 1 upon x power m, that is 1 upon x whole power m, it is equal to this. So I can write this one also. You see, reciprocal of this. Understand? So 1 by 3, if you take reciprocal, it will power will be plus 3 by 1 power plus 1 here, and it is 4 by 1 power plus 1. So this is minus 1. So this is 3 by 1 power 1. It is 3 by 1. 4 by 1. It is this one. So 3 minus 4 power minus 1. It is minus 1 power minus 1. What is minus 1? Means it is reciprocal of this. Just like you apply this laws. Minus 1 upon plus. Power will be changed. Minus to plus. This will not plus. Only power will change. So 1 upon minus 1. So its answer is minus 1. So it was the first part of this question number 6. Now one more question, fifth question also. It is also most important. What is fifth question is saying? Find the value of m. Find the value of m if 5 power m divide 5 power minus 3 is equal to 5 power 5. So now which law? This one second will apply here. If divide, then power will subtract. So 5 m minus of minus 3. So 5 power 5. So 5 minus into minus plus. So it is 5 power 3. M plus 3. So 5 power 5. Now if bases are equal symbols are here, then powers will be equal. So therefore m plus 3 equal to 5. So I think it's clear. If bases are equal is there, then powers will also be equal. You will equate. M is equal to, shift this side, 5 minus 3, m is equal to 2. This is the answer. So my dear students, in this way you can try this exercise 12.1 of exponent. So you can do every question. So if you have any problem, then ask. I think you can do. Thank you and good.